I need a login button. What up, Twitch scam? Major update: the latest version of my app is in review, so let's hope they give us a thumbs up. Wouldn't that be lovely? Let's see if they updated it yet. All right. Nothing yet. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's go back to here. Google. Some weird way. What's up, dude? We're building a login app, or we're building a little website to manage some stuff for my mobile app. Google Authenticate. Firebase Authenticate. Landing. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at now to see how I do it on my website or my mobile app. Log in with email. What up, Codebreaker? Thanks for the follow. Welcome in. I too am a Codebreaker. So login modal, and some weird way. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in, guys. Login modal. Um. Yeah, honestly, I think I want to just. I guess you're right, Strong. I guess we do need a username password. Okay. Let's see if we can build. Let's see if we can build a website here, guys. And I have no idea how to build a website. Let's go. Do they have text input? Or how do you like I literally don't know how to build a website in React. How do you get a text input? I'm just gonna let I'm honestly Strong. I'm just gonna let Copilot build this entire thing. So we need to check if they're logged in or not, right? I need to copy code here over to my other app. Let's see if I can do this. This is gonna be terrible, I know, but source main. And then let's just copy this. Main, better web main. Yep, let me go. Let me cook. Yep, let me cook. Okay, let's cook. What happened here? All right, we cooked it. All right. Guys, we got the web dev in here. What up, web dev? Or web devin too, dude. Okay, so there's our use effects to um there's our use effect to log in. That is pretty lazy. All right, so ready for this. We need routing, dude. I don't even know where to begin with routing in React. Sounds plausible. I don't want to do file based if I can help it. React router logged in versus logged out. Okay. Dude, I almost want to build an Expo app. Strong. What if I built an Expo app and just did it for and just did it for but just use the web part. I'm so used to React Native that I don't know how to write React. I should probably learn how to write React, right? Excuse me, guys. Man, I got something in my throat in the worst way. All right. Dude, guys, I'm really thinking on just using React Native for I can copy my whole my whole app, which has everything already working, completely gut the app to its core, and that's my admin page. Is that a stupid idea or is that a smart idea? Because React Native runs. Nope isn't stupid or nope isn't good. Good idea. I think it's good to probably learn how to build a React straight up app, right? Isn't that probably worth my time to get used to doing? Or no? I don't know. I don't even know. Yeah, honestly, we're doing it. I know that was a waste of life. I'm sorry. I wish we didn't just waste our lives. Because I can just copy components over. Oh God. I can literally just copy everything, right? Exactly. Exactly, Billy. That's literally exactly what we're gonna do. But it's gonna be a different app. Look, guys, I literally have my app running. So watch. Let's go gut this thing. Strong, why didn't we think of this way earlier, dude? Or did you? Which one did we have to get rid of? I think crypto or something. because I can write React Native with Expo like the back of my hand. I've been doing it every day for 2.5 years. All I know is how to write a view. I don't know how to write a paragraph. Like it doesn't register. This whole environment's set up. But I don't need any of this. Yeah, I see what you mean, dude. I don't uh-oh. Oh, we're screwed strong. Yeah, I don't want to introduce. Hold on. NP. I don't want to introduce this code, I don't think, into the other code base. Maybe I'll regret that. But I have all the wet. No, I think we'll just copy it. Here we go. Let's see if it cooks. Let's see if it cooks. It looks like it's cooking. It looks like it's cooking. It looks like it's cooking, guys. Dude, and I can maintain it as a mobile app. Like, why not? Right? I can maintain it as a mobile app. I can even deploy it as an internal mobile app. Ah, the good old persistence. Invalid API key. Let's go. Why would it be an invalid API key? Yeah, but then I'm going to be deploying this stuff to my actual production app. This is just going to be a quick and dirty thing, I think. Why is API key invalid? Oh. Yeah, dude, I get everything this way. I get everything I already built. All right, Billy, we'll be here, my friend. Thanks for your thoughts, dude. Thanks for coming in. All right, come on, Strong. Give it to us, guys. Is it cooking? What in the hell, dude? Hey. All right, well, there's my login stuff. Doesn't appear to be working the same. God damn. Dixie, hey, wake up. My dog's like crying in her sleep. All right. Come on, give us victory. That's so annoying. Using static rendering. You need to enable JavaScript to run this app. This isn't going great. I'll just put it that way. You need to enable JavaScript. Hey, it looks like it worked. Start server. Let's see if we hit the server here. Not hitting the server. I don't get it. I don't understand why it's giving me these goofy frames also. This doesn't seem like a great solution. That sounds amazing, Swolka. Like it's not like doing anything. Okay, I did something. I really don't know what the solution here is. This seems to be a bad idea also. Like, why is this giving me multiple windows? That seems very odd to me. Web client ID. Oh man. I think we just wait. I think we're calling it on the website. I don't really know what to do. I'm not going to spend a week learning this. I was hoping to be done today. I don't think it's a good idea anymore. I don't think I would almost rather do what Billy said and just build a damn UI in my app if you're an admin. Because this is kind of ridiculous. It's not a bad idea. That was fun while it lasted. declare client server. It's like we're back like we never left. Well, that was fun. I thought it'd be a little bit more plug and play than that. But I'm not going to spend a week trying to get that thing off the ground. I'd much rather do exactly what Billy said, although Billy left. I wish Billy could hear that I chose to do what he suggested. All right, this is going to kind of be fun. So we're going to make a new setting here called under settings. And we're going to make one called Okay, so I have an idea. I want to create another stack called admin stack that only admins will get to see. And I wanted to inherit from this. I don't know if I can do that. Sure. Man, I really don't want to do my admin stuff through a mobile app. Yeah, I don't want to. But it is what it is, I guess. What up, Emil? How you doing? What up, Lakey? Additional screens. So we guys, we tried to build a website and it was proving to be too much work, so we punted on it. But I'm sad because I need one. I want to start building some admin features that I don't want to be on the phone for. But it's kind of proving to be the easiest way to do it. I suppose I could like do it from my iPad, which might feel a little better. It's just obviously a browser is the best, but to port it over, I think it was going to take a long, probably several days to get working. We don't got several days, guys. We got to cook. So anywhere you can cop them, I'm glad you asked, my guy. I'm glad you asked, dude. I just threw something quick up. It's not a fancy it's not fancy by any means, but damn. I don't know how to do this. I suppose I can add this is really bootleg. What are my options, late key? What are my options? I can build it and get it working basically today. But I don't want to learn a new technology to get this working. You know what I mean? I don't really know. I think it's kind of our best shot. Strong. So we're probably just punting on it altogether. Makes me sad, but it's gonna. Oops, sorry for smacking the mic. It's gonna take me 3 days probably to get the website going. I don't want to. I don't want to spend 3 days. This way, I have everything I want. It works. Nothing changes. I just build it right here. Also, any admins can just simply have access to this now. So I'm going to have a whole admin page, whole admin section. It's not my favorite, but I do think it's probably exact strong. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna build it as if it was a part of the mobile app. Scotty, by the way, what's good, dude? Welcome in. I'm not proud, Strong. Okay. Scotty, I fought the shit out of it too, dude. That piece of shit. Dude, it did not. That was the worst upgrade I've ever been through. I think I'm on the other side now. I couldn't. That was definitely the dude. Dude, check this out. Check this out. Uh, Builds were failing afterwards. At the final build step, builds were failing. I had to remove Sentry, which is heartbreaking. Then deployments stopped working. Ultimately, what I did, by the way, I went to 51.0.8. I recommend that. A lot of my problems went away after I made that final jump. I don't know why, but when I was on 51.0.2, I was having some issues, dude. Like the freaking push to Apple wasn't working. It was crazy. Strong. We definitely need a select icon list. I feel so happy to be back in my app and not doing that crap. It's such a cop out, but I don't even care. Because Strong, one of the worst things right now is, dude, one of the worst things, Strong, is all these icons are the same. Like, come on, that's so boring. Let's get something cool. Let's get some cool icons going, right? Like, that's one of my least favorite parts of the app right now. Some people figured it out, but they had to dig deep to figure it out. Hey, let's see if Apple will approve my app, by the way. They did. Hooray! Pending developer release. Release. I can't believe we just lost a day failing at spinning up a React app. SMH. No, it's absolutely for me and probably Strong. Like that's Akira, Mono, Runty, couple of the core users. Yo, Grumpy, let's go. Thanks, dude. Thanks for the stream. Dude, you're back on your grind. You're back on the grind, dude. We love to see it. Uh, I did you I love that, dude. I love that, dude. Well done. Well done. You'll get your streak will increase. Your check mark above your day will increase. We're collecting metrics behind the scenes to start giving you congratulations on different streak metrics. So keep going, my friend. Day one down. Day two is on. Remember, you can configure notifications. Everybody, for that matter. Yeah, dude, the thing is, FJ, I really wanted it to be like a 2 day effort at max. And yeah, I probably should have just did like um yeah, that's true about yeah. I probably should have probably just did it in I don't know. I don't know. Next.js might have been a good one. This is where I need Logan. I need someone summon Logan. Since you don't do that's true. That's true. Well, you can disable. By the way, Grumpy, you can disable notifications. You can disable notifications. Remix. I've heard good things. Hard to tell if it's just hype or actual use cases, but wait, what do you mean block new followers? Why would you want to block a follower? Oh, anyway. Secure admin. We use this thing called Grail. Yeah, Grails if you're familiar with it. It's like Spring Boot with a bunch of like MVC stuff. It's actually pretty cool, but I wouldn't want to use that. We're actually in talks of getting away from it. Oh, notifications on. Interesting. I see what you mean. Notifications. 90 plus 95 plus percent of my development at work is back end. So Spring Boot or even more, I write just custom jobs that get kicked off by a cron and run in Docker. So I do a lot of like data processing. That's like a lot of lately what like we'll take a large file, chop it up, stick it in our database, and hammer queries against it. That's basically what I guess that's what every app is. But that's what I do for a lot of my day job. What up, Wolfric? Of course you can, Late Key. Build system and developer tools. I had a job that was that before. I built the world's worst website in PHP for this large company to facilitate their deployment environment, and it's still their primary deployment portal today, which is it was my first job ever. My first 6 months of a professional developer. Those poor souls. That's all I can say. Those poor souls. Yeah. It's a large company called what the hell are they called? I can't remember. They've been sold and migrated 3 times now. Doesn't really matter. Oh yeah, late key. So it's a delayed update, by the way, which is not my favorite. Maybe we should do an optimistic update. I just realized that, and we definitely will start doing that. But it's a delayed. The server calculates it every time. So, okay, guys, I created this um, secure admin stack. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do this. Does anybody know how like this is typically supposed to be done? Secure admin. I wanted it to inherit. I wanted it to be all of the normal navigation stack. However, loading to that's probably that's probably overkill. I don't know. Maybe not. Doesn't really matter. So there you go. I have so like for instance, let's go to user settings, right? We're gonna make our first admin page. It's just gonna be a button that says to admin. You didn't update anything for the day and had a wrong current streak. Yeah, I know of a bug. The the streak is going to change. The streak logic is going to change. Now that we know what the time zone of the user is, we can do so much more cool stuff. Before we didn't know, and it made it harder. So I over-engineered the shit out of it, and it doesn't work well. Classic. Settings admin. Yeah, they are very tricky. I got them down, dude. It took me like I just tried to avoid them. That was my plan. And I eventually said screw it. Okay, this is gonna be sick. Watch this. So we took an incremental approach to to sorry, was typing and trying to talk at the same time. We took an incremental approach to time zones, and it actually I think helped me like build it in a very clean way because I tried to avoid it rather than I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy, but either way, we got it working. Settings admin. Oops. User settings. Admin. const is admin equals user custom. I literally love custom hooks, dude. Like that was the best. Learning custom hooks after not using them was by far the best software development upgrade I've ever experienced. Imagine just doing everything in a component in UseEffects. It was insane. It was literally insane. Custom hooks hides the logic and gives you the cleanest like API of all time. I don't know or care what this is doing. I just know it's going to tell me if I'm admin or not. That's literally it. I literally don't know what it's doing. Should we go look? It looks like it's getting the current user from the storage and then checks the roles on it. You do hooks or anything? You thought that seemed like the way it took you forever to think of it. I think basically everything, Dota. Basically everything. I have a hard time justifying not anymore. I'll put it that way. Testing. You. I'm just kidding. Kind of. All right. I'll just do it under membership. I used to love testing. Yo, Foxtrot. How we doing? I think they do forgive me because I can get the app out the door. Foxtrot, are we able to type yet? All right, come on, guys. How sick is that? The admin shield, guys. The admin shield. Doing all right. You admire my discipline, bro. I've been doing it for a long time. It's built into my brain now. It's just what I do. The power of habits. No, what am I doing? Watch this. Icon. Crap. Icon color. Oh, this is just a nightmare. Color. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Foxtrot, but I hope you get back on your horse, dude. The one thing I think is important, I mean, I've never lost my job, so I can't even speak to it, but I think trying to find your routine is important. But, you know, priorities obviously are different. You keep getting up at 5 a.m. It's annoying. That's good, dude. 5 a.m. is a good time to get up. Why is it annoying? Uh, what color are we looking for? No, it ain't too early, bro. But it is too early if you don't have something you want to do. I guess that's the one downside. What color, guys? What color do I make this shield? Probably no color after all that, right? Let's go, Runty. What the? What the? Would you guys plan that? What are you guys in someone else's stream? And you're like, yeah, let's go see what Dev Dad's doing. Unbelievable timing. Runty and Akira at the same moment. Well, Akira, you missed out. We lost the entire stream trying to build an admin React page, and we weren't skilled enough. So now we're just doing all admin work in the app. I don't got time for all that. You know what I mean? You know what they say. Ain't nobody got time for that. Well, I had the user auth going. It's just it was a horrible breakdown on how it failed. It was a terrible breakdown. The user auth I've already solved. So check this out. I started with a React app, and I was typing these things like called paragraphs, like bracket p bracket, and I'm like, dude, I'm not relearning this syntax when I already know the syntax for Expo, and Expo can run on web. I'm like, duh, let's just make an Expo web app. I was like, wait a minute, let's just take my app that already works with user authentication, clone it, dumb it down, and now you have a website with all your components, your DTOs, everything sitting right there. You already solved 90% of this. Just use it. So I went to do that. Well, guess what? It didn't work very well. The, I obviously was not configuring the web correctly, and I was like, I don't really want to learn how to configure the web correctly. So then I was like, well, it looks like we're going back to mobile. Oh, really? The framework? That's sick. Tell him I can't get the web working. I'm just kidding. Don't tell him that. He won't care. He's going to call it a skill issue, and he's not wrong. So here we go. Admin. Now, if I log out and I log in as a non-admin, I shouldn't see that. Oh, that's true. That's not my. Check DM from Akira. Uh-oh. Don't do it to me, Akira. I already. Oh, no. Oh, God, dude. That thing's sick. Do you have user authentication yet? All right. Can you add me to the repo, dude? I hate you. I didn't know you actually worked on it like that. Damn. I literally spent 2.5 hours doing that. Because here's the deal, Akira, and everybody else. Here's the deal, guys. Here, it's all good. It's not. That's not on you, of course. But I'm like, dang, I jumped the gun. I jumped the gun because I know I had asked you to work on it, but like I'm also not. I wasn't gonna be like, hey, what's the status? What's the status? What's the status? So I was like, I'm just gonna build one, and it was supposed to be a 2 day stream at max effort. But anyway, guys, the reason I want that is because I think challenges are a big deal. I think challenges are a huge feature of the app itself. And I think it's going to be worth. Whoa, did I get a new color? That was cool. We need to start creating them, and I need to start making them robust, but I can't do it via database scripts. Like that's just not practical. New build out, by the way. What tech is it? That was really clean, by the way. Oh, you're the man. I appreciate that, dude. Yeah, my goal is super simple, but I just want to create a UI, Akira, that gives me two things. I want to see active challenges, to be able to edit challenges and create new challenges. Like that's what I want to do. Because here's my plan. My plan is, so for instance, check this out. Check this out. Development, saved queries, scratch pad. Like, see these inserts here? These should just be little check marks. These should just be little check marks. These are the milestones that are associated with it, right? So like, by the way, I just added new milestones for push-ups, and I did them at the 10% increment, not the 25% increment, because it's a longer duration. No, I don't. So that is something I can start working on right now, honestly. What's the app doing? 2 sentences. It's a social accountability based habit building / tracking app where you track your habits in a public forum. That's really the extent of it. Yeah, you should scan it and try it. It's free. Okay, so yeah, that is something I need to do anyway. So why don't we do that? Runty, are you summer housing over there? What's your status, dude? All right. I probably should make a branch. I'm not going to. I probably should though. So this will be interesting. Toothless, let's go, my friend. All right, so here's our challenge. I think to make things, that's fine. So to create one, that's going to be very interesting. I mean, it's not that interesting if you think about it. It's really not. What up, Moo? Welcome in. We already have all the relationships. We just need to send that object across the board. That's crazy. So validate. Authenticate, cool. But then authorize needs to be. Ooh, who uses this? Authorize admin, nobody. So version 1.0. No, I didn't think version 1.0. Did I call it 1.0? I think 11's out. For iOS, 13's out. Toothless, are you iOS or are you what are you? Yeah, Android's 11. Oh, Neo, dude, too funny. Oh no, I will never upgrade ever. I will literally never upgrade. I can't stand I can't stand uh to lose development time doing an upgrade. My NeoVim config is basically done. There. So there's a new version, by the way. I want to test something. Does this thing tell me there's a new version? It does. Maybe later. What a terrible decision. It doesn't tell you there's a new version. That's such a fail. Well, it's only done when or it's only not done when it breaks, which I know is coming eventually. Third area text. I'm such a genius. Why is there saying no update available? Update utility, update available. Hmm? Ooh. Oh. I don't know. Oh, I guess I do. Bet that works now. Yo, Ian Draynazov, butts. What's up? It's a really cool username. A settings version, a new hook. It should have been Dota. It's not a hook, but you're spot on, dude. Like the new me. Look at it. This is the old me right here. This is the old me. The new me's putting that in a hook, saying upgrade available equals, and then boom. Cool, it works. I love writing software, guys. I'm so sad AI's taking our jobs, and I'm gonna not be able to do this for money. Like this, like I'm so sad someone's gonna take away my favorite hobby. I really enjoyed writing this. I only use AI for coding. AI builds my entire app. I've completely just let it happen. Yeah, tab complete Copilot. It's definitely useful. I heard arguments to stop using it, and I did, and I was like, well, I'm just like slower and worse. So I might, and this I don't mind letting AI do it. I still just like doing it. I just got to get rich, so it doesn't matter. Am I right? And it's just going to shift, right? It's just like the industrial revolution, right? Everyone's like, oh my God, the robots are going to take our jobs. Huge, Akira, huge. How great is that, guys? I'll never get over that my dot files just point you to somebody else's better dot files. It's like, no, trust me, you don't want mine. These are probably the ones you want. My take on it is negative, only that I don't want to stop doing what I do every day. I like doing this, but I'm not going to do it for fun. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to do it because, like, if I'm not like whatever I'm doing, I got to be getting paid for. You know what I mean? If I'm chopping wood, I need to sell the wood. Billy, boy, you missed out. We ended up doing your decision, then we ended up not doing your decision again. You don't see AI taking? No, I don't see it taking it anytime soon. Agreed. But I did create the admin panel for you, dude. Doesn't do anything. In what force? In what force, Akira? Guys, I love this app. I really do. I love this new update. Putting the date here. Thank you, Akira. Thank you, Akira. I love putting the date here. Guys, I love the milestones. We just for anyone new here, we just added these milestones like yesterday or the day before. It's so dope, dude. It's just so dope, man. It's working really well. Thanks again, Akira. The balance is balanced. Correct. Correct, dude. All right, let's keep cooking. New user created. Let's go. If AI wants to complete the Expo 51 upgrade, dude, you know what my problem was, guys? One of my problems, I couldn't even believe it. I had a Semver package called Semver Expo. It was not an official Expo package, and it was last upgraded 5 years ago. Oh yeah, no, Akira. Never seen it before. I guess that's all I can say. Love having Akira part of the community, though. A vital member of the community. So cheers to Akira. Literally over there building an admin page with real data. I saw Barf 12 in there. I saw Barf 12 in that screenshot. All right. So what are we doing? He's a critical member of the community. Correct, dude. All right. So we're creating a yeah, pun intended. You nailed it. I didn't catch it at first, so I just ignored it. No, you nailed it. Hard intended. Pun intended. Authorize admin. God, I hope this works. What does authorize admin do? It gets the token from the user, and if the user isn't an admin, they get denied. See, I just love programming. That's so fun to me. That was so fun to me. Replacing the middleware with a different middleware. Dude, why is this just like this dude, like think about what a program is. I remember being brand new to programming and being extremely overwhelmed by like dude, so like a program is basically this like giant ball of yarn. Hopefully it's not a ball of yarn, but for all intents and purposes, it's kind of like a ball of yarn, or like give me another analogy that's a little bit better, but it's like you can slowly get to know the interweavings of it and understand the different areas, and you don't know all areas, right? You forget areas, you misunderstand areas, but you kind of move your way through this. It's almost like a world. Like your program's basically like a world, and you travel through the world. You learn areas. Some towns you spend a ton of time in, and then you travel across the damn town, the world, to a different town, and you spend time in this town. You might send mail over to that town. You might make a bridge connecting the towns, and you just work your way through this world, learning the world, growing the world, and et cetera, et cetera. And author and sometimes your towns get destroyed. Well, I would be a fool to not do it on the server, right? Because anybody can make that call. All yeah, authorized only checks. It's saying if you're not a user or an admin, it punts on you. I don't want a user. If you're, yeah, exactly, yeah. If if you're not an admin and you're not a user, everybody's a user. You see. So probably confusing language. No. No. If you're a normal user, you will not get forbidden. Nobody's an admin in the app. I don't even think I am. If you're okay, all right. Guys, tell Akira he's wrong here. If you're not an admin and you're not a user. Wait, am I wrong? No. If you're not an admin, true. True. Watch. True. I'm not an Akira's not an admin. Or pick someone else. No, I will not be wrong here. I will not be wrong here. Billy is not an admin. Right? But he is a user. Thank God, dude. I mean, for the record, it's terrible logic. Double negated. This is way easier to read. Oh, God. That's way easier to read. What the hell? God, it feels good to get one right, guys. That's very rare for me. That's very rare for me. See, that's way easier to read. Are you an admin? We'll make you one, obviously. All right, so there you go. That was a waste of life, but that's okay. Don't you say wait no again. Dude, Billy, tell Akira, yeah, dude, I know I'm right. We would have been in shambles. Every single endpoint comes through here. Every single one. Not one does not. For the first time ever, I'm not an idiot. I've been the idiot so many times. It's always been right. It was just confusing to read. It was a bad set of lines of code. I just splashed water in my face for the record. It was bad code. Okay. Not the first, not the last. It was just hard to read. Exactly. Now it cooks though. Now it cooks. All right. So anyway, let's go to authorized admin. That was so much fun, guys. We all learned a little bit more about programming. Write your code not like an idiot. Is authorized is if you're an admin or a user. I literally had a logical error at my job the other day that was the same exact situation. Developer Rich, by the way, welcome in, my friend. But yeah, it was literally a confusing set of negated ands, and I was like, bro, I literally can't read this. It's just too hard to read. I'm not good enough, and I don't want to be good enough. So authorize admin. Watch this. I just love this stuff, man. Watch this. Challenge. Types DTO. Why is this guy hollering, you guys think? I like that he's hollering, but you gotta wonder why he's so mad. All right, challenge summaries, challenge details, challenge recently joined, challenge details again. Classic. We car holler. We car. Nice. All right, so we're gonna create a So let's go to challenge types. Requests. Export interface. Create challenge request. Oh, campaign. I don't know what a campaign is, but I really wish we had one. I really wish we had a campaign. How sick would a campaign be? Like a set. Dude, I thought about that. Listen, I thought about that. It's in the back of my mind. Imagine quests. Imagine quests. It's not a fully developed idea yet, but imagine a sequence of things you need to do in order to win some uh in order to win some quest. And imagine Yes, Cosmic Nick, let's go. Dude, imagine a sequence of things you need to do. So imagine a fitness quest. The first step is going to be, you got to achieve this. Ooh, a quest could be a set of achievements. So imagine a quest is like you got to knock out this achievement, this achievement, this achievement, this achievement. And then you get a skill cape like you do in RuneScape tied to your profile that you've achieved the quest. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, dude. Imagine seeing a skill cape or an icon or emblem next to somebody's profile, knowing that they completed the fitness quest, dude. And they're not easy to complete. And they're not easy to complete. Bro, I'm dead with that idea. This is basically drop everything. Well, we need. Do you think it's a good idea to piggyback off of achievements? So what I'm thinking is because we already want achievements anyway, right? By definition, does a quest being a set of achievements? Yeah, I think so too. And dude, and I think they're gonna be hard. Like you're gonna have to be using the app for some time to solve a quest. Like for instance, 100 push-up challenge or 100 push-up achievement, something like that, right? That's going to take 100 days. Then from there, you're going to have the 100 burpees challenge, right? And then you're going to be doing these things. I just made that example up, but like, shouldn't a challenge? No, a challenge, dude. Challenge is a variable difficulty, dude. A challenge could literally be, and we will have 1 day challenges. Challenges are just something to do. They're just something to do. Achievements, as you progress your account, your achievements build, you grow closer to your achievements and you start gaining these accolades, and quests are grouped achievements that will prove that you are very dedicated in a certain space. So fitness, like you don't get the fitness skill cape, bro. I almost want to call it a skill cape. You don't get the skill cape, which is literally tied to your profile. I'm talking like put it next to your username. Like that's what I'm talking about. Like you're going to see no matter where you look that this person has achieved their skill cape. And it was very hard to earn, and it's going to be freaking epic, and it's premium only, baby. Challenges, fun social activities on a better. Achievements are exactly that, achieving something. So that should take work. Quests, harder version of multiple achievements. Yes. Proving your existence in a space, right? Like there's going to be a reading skill cape, and you only get that by reading lots of books, right? Well, yeah, something like that. Something like that. That makes achievements. Nah, screw it. That's exactly what it is, dude. That's exactly what it is. Oh my God. That was insane. Do we drop everything? Oh my God. I feel like that's going to be it, dude. I literally feel like that's going to be it. That's just insane. Albert, oh, we'll never forget, dude. We'll never forget. Cosmic Nick, I know you like that one, dude. I know you like that one. That was a good one. You assume they'll be semi self-paced, so you have to get the achievements, which in turn takes you working in the app, coming back, updating your progress, which in turn gets people back in the app. Dude, I think that just tied a bow on the top of Embedder. everything has suddenly become related. Like it's a whole ecosystem of earning things. And like I think that was like the missing component that like quests, dude. And better clans. Oh yeah. Dude, okay guys, listen. What what can we do once you earn the skill cape? So like there's like guilds in RuneScape you can only go in once you have that skill. What we need to think of like exclusive features that only people who've earned the ranks can do. I don't know what Shadow Legends is, but yes. Runty, you know that's a fun idea, dude. Now, to be honest, now we're kind of feeling like we're coming at Habitica a little bit. Habitica a little bit. I want to call them quests, but like I feel like that's Habitica's space, right? Like they literally are an RPG. They're literally the RuneScape. I love the name quests. We'll probably do quests because it's so sick. Habitica mentioned. Captain, they don't got no quests though. Do they? Do they? Habitica's dope. I got no beef. They got quests. No. Let's see what Habitica quest is. Of course they do. They're an RPG. Quest donate $200. Quests. This is a quests are a story-based mission. Quest initiates a quest scroll. So that's actually pretty cool. It's really nerdy. Quests are completed indirectly by party members completing tasks, performing good habits, using certain skill. Okay, so it's different. I mean they absolutely have quests, but it's basically what I'm gathering Habitica is. I should probably use it to try it. I think you gain skills by doing what you claim you want to do, and you can use those skills or points or attack points or power or mana or whatever the heck you get towards RPG based things, which is genius. But it's not the same. Ours is I'm literally thinking of like a set of like 8 things you need to do. There you go. You gain XP and gold that you can spend. Exactly, which is genius. It's different. Right? Like ours there is no concept of that. You have to hit these milestones that collect, and once you hit, all these achievements, you gain this skill cape. We'll have to think it through. I think that's so, dude, and like we need the UI to like really make these people stand out. I don't know what it means, but it needs to make it stand out. Once you get a skill cape, we definitely need something beyond that. So it's not like you prove. Sure. There may even be tiers of the skill capes, right? But like that's like the ultimate accolade is a skill cape. That's what, dude. Auto Copilot literally tried to say create campaign. I was like, campaign. I was like, damn, we need a campaign. What if there was a gem? Dude. Gem slots is something I've really wanted. Accountability teams working on a quest. Oh. In general, outside of the quests, Accountability teams, so group challenges. Imagine there was a group challenge where you and four other people need to do X amount of push-ups or something. Like, take the quests away from it. We'll include quests in a minute, but stepping away from quests for a minute. Accountability teams in general working towards common goals, achievements, challenges, and quests, all the above. But it's just now it's become a group thing and you get that level of accountability. If Akira and I are a group doing a push-up challenge and Akira fails, dude, this is massive. This is massive. If Akira and I are on a team and we're doing the push-up challenge together, if Akira fails, I fail. I fail. The mission ended. Mission over. The team failed. Social accountability. That you can't fake that, dude. Oh my God, dude. Imagine team quests. Imagine team quests where if you fail, you start from zero. To earn the team skill cape is the ultimate victory. It's the ultimate accolade. It's the ultimate accolade. Golden profile. Golden profile. You are big man on campus on that app. I'm sick. Well, there's a years of work coming, but that's the direction we're going, guys. Holy cow, that was amazing. You guys are amazing for helping me think through that. Yeah, no. Listen, challenges. It's all related. It's all related. But here's the beauty, guys. The framework is done. The framework is done. Challenges are done. Guess what an achievement is? It's a challenge. It's a challenge that has no bounds, no date bounds. Guess what a quest is? It's a set of achievements, which are a set of challenges. The framework's done. The calculation's done. All the groundwork is done. And when you get all the groundwork done, that's when apps take off, dude. Because we built this framework, and if you build the framework poorly, you can't extend upon it. We built its core components, and we're just going to group them and level on top, extend upon them into the app we needed it to be. Premium only, by the way. Premium only. Nah, you got to give them a taste of quests. You got to give them a taste of quests. But definitely there's going to be, just like in RuneScape. Just like in RuneScape. There are free quests and there are premium quests. Yeah, but not all quests. You need to give them a taste. You need to prove its value. It's like that's the key. It's like you need people to be like, okay, I want quests. Like these are dope. We're gonna have to think this through, and this is why we need the UI. By the way, this is why we need the web-based UI because we need a website that manages all of these. Or else I'm going to be doing database inserts, and nobody wants me to build this whole ecosystem using NeoVim database inserts. Exactly. The cape should probably, yeah, that's a good idea. So there, but we will also lock. Ah, Captain, us too, dude. Us too. I'm a web guy myself also. I am talking about the admin, but hey, the admin's one step away from an actual UI. No. I was talking about admin. but we're not far off. Like, I want one too. Guys, I have high confidence. Like, I'm feeling like definitely with this app, I feel highs and lows. I'm on a high right now. I'll tell you that much. That, yeah, no, I appreciate you even trying, Captain. I know you're not a phone person, but I do appreciate you for even logging in, dude. Dude, I feel like Embedder needed it's almost like its story loop. I can't think of what it's called, but like it's action loop. It's hey, you join this app. How do you know what's the workflow? Ooh. Ooh, adventure, dude. Adventure could be a sick name. Or journey. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh, need social everything. We need social auto push set up. Just like Instagram will auto push to Facebook. Last time you traveled for work, you received notifications saying you were using your phone more than usual. 90 minutes a day, up from 40. Good for you, freaking you, dude. I'm not even gonna tell you my I'm not gonna tell you my screen time, but let's just say my screen. It's false data. My screen is literally on right now. It's not actually me, guys. My phone's just always on. Just kidding. It's definitely me. Well, guess what, guys? We did zero programming today, but I don't think it was a waste of a day. One concern I have is one concern I have about challenge or about quests is it seems so powerful that I'm afraid maybe um like I don't want it to overbear the app in general. Like, and maybe it should, but it almost feels like it could be an app in itself trying to achieve quests, right? So I'm wondering if there's a perfect balance between all walks of life, or maybe perfect balance is a bad idea and you want to specialize in one area and hammer down on it. That's an interesting one because this seems so powerful. It feels like the app is going to push you in that direction of doing quests. And we need to make sure they're specialized in a space for everybody, right? Like we'll have to come up with, just like in RuneScape, dude, just like in RuneScape, there's a guild for everybody. If you found a place in that game, there was a guild you could earn and get into. That's the same thing here. It's like fitness. Oh, Apollo Kshav Kavalana 1. What's up? Welcome in. Um yeah, just thinking about what that means in terms of, like, for instance, technically my mom has value in this app today. She is doing the Move It Make challenge, right? I'm not sold my mom cares about these quests. Like, I don't think that's going to be an interest of her. Does that mean she doesn't have a space? This app doesn't really provide a lot of value to her? Or will Quest just be an additional add-on? That's what I'm trying to understand. Like, should this be about solving quests? Or can she use it with no quests? Does she have that loop I'm talking about? All right. These songs are again heavy as shit. It was good, but that one was getting to the peak of heavy. So, well, I got a lot to think about. I literally did no coding. It puts a pit in my stomach to finish a development session with no code written, but lots of productive conversation was had. So I'm gonna go see if the fam's up, guys. I think this is a good breaking point. Um, but we will. Where are we trending? We need to finish challenges, and we need a way to continuously add challenges, probably through a UI, honestly. So Akira, like if you can get that thing pushed to a repo, like even when you can't work on it, dude, I'm gonna be hammering on it because we got to get it going, you know. So if your mom was like, I just want to move more, boom, move it may, and then a singular habit. If you want to become a Giga Chad, fitness habits, fitness challenges, fitness achievement. Exactly. Yeah. Awesome, Albert. Awesome. Yeah. Uh, love being here, dude. So, did you ever look at TikTok? What about TikTok? Yeah, dude, Akira, it's definitely an exciting. The hell is TikTok? Tick 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 tick. What's tick tick? I don't know what tick tick is. A to-do list and a test and oh no, I'm horrible. I'm either a genius or I'm a terrible, terrible person because I don't look at any other apps, so I don't even know what they do. Turns out, hey, we want quests. We already know someone who's got quests. Damn, so I would have expected. Oh, I got to update the app. No, and it doesn't. Thank you for saying that, by the way. But it doesn't even discourage me. Like I think I almost am taking an ignorant. Well, I have two lines of thought. One, I think ignorance is bliss. I have three lines of thought. One, I think ignorance is bliss. Two, I think I forget what two was. It was a good one though, I swear. Ooh, habit completion's down. Habit completion is down. We need a metrics for that. But I think there's food for everybody to eat. I really do. I think there's food for everybody to eat. We don't even market. We don't even market the app yet, dude. But because I don't think it's there yet, and maybe that's a foolish opinion. I just think it's not there yet. I think it. I think we're getting close, but I don't think we're there yet to dump money into marketing. Oh, and this is marketing, and here's the beauty of it. Here's the beauty of it. This is sort of an organic growth where I'm getting just the right amount of users to be able to get meaningful feedback and quickly iterate and oftentimes talk to the people who have that opinion. This streaming, building this app may be the greatest decision of all time. We'll see. Let me put it this way. Go to Embedder's Instagram if you want to see where this app was before I started streaming. Spoiler alert, it was the worst app ever. So I'm coming here because I need to see Emil got the yes. Guys, we do have that, but I do want to show you something. Um I want to purge some users because that's a fake metric, I think. But we'll work on purging them. Select star from, well, let's just do this. Select ID from user where email like dot at embtr.com. I swear I could figure out this keyboard one day, guys. 17. Oh, that's not bad. That's there's worse data out here, though. Trust me. Watch this. What? Dude. Worse than a parking meter app that yeah, no, we don't like that. We don't like giving people tickets. But hey, if you get paid, screw it. New user. Look how many new users I have, guys. What? Ah. 74. So we probably have 100 fake users. We probably have 100 fake users. I got to purge a lot of them. No, it's not a bug. It's not. These are actually users. Wait, what? You're saying you found a bug? What is up with your damn account, dude? You probably achieved it. You probably checked it off. When did you check it off? Before today's stream? I added it. Oh, you won't get you are a fake user. You won't get purged. Here, just uncheck it and recheck it, Akira. And watch the magic unfold, baby. Watch the magic unfold. Guys, if you can say nothing else about the dev dad, tell him I over-engineered the milestone calculation. It will not fail. It just cooks. You can say he had 100 fake users, which was one in 7 users were fake users. But let me tell you, you couldn't break his milestone calculation. Well, no, it didn't exist. I didn't have the milestone until I started streaming today. So when you checked it off, the milestone didn't exist. Moving forward, milestones will exist at the time of challenge creation. So this will never happen again. This is just because we prototyped it and rolled it out. So every single challenge from now on will have those milestones at creation time. 10% mark, almost 20%. Almost 20%. Guys, just look at the app, guys. Just let me scroll for a minute. Guys. Can we look at this? Description. Oh, that's a beautiful a plum colored notification. Oh, this is cool. Been doing some stuff, some cool icons. Scroll. Okay, this person's been cooking. Keep scrolling. Oh, wait, premium user posted today, May 18th. More data. Let's give it a like. Keep scrolling. a new user alert, by the way. How we should put a little, guys, any user that's under 10 days old should get, or 5 days old, maybe should get a little symbol, just like Discord, with the leaf that says, hey, this person's new. Here's your boy cooking up. I've been walking on the treadmill because my knee's injured for the first time in 2 years, guys. Challenges, guys. We've got challenges. Look, we got Jeroen here making handmade pizzas, dude. Attaboy. Oh yeah, I got a slight knee injury. Don't worry, we're walking it off. Look at another milestone. I don't know. That's the craziest part. I don't know how I'm injured. Just stress, probably. Guys, but check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Look at this. Habits. Guys, we got habits. Challenges. You can track your challenges, guys. Check this. Here's your day. This is your day. If you guys are new here, this is your day. This is how you update stuff. You swipe to complete. You can swipe to fail. You can swipe to skip. You can swipe to reset. Whatever your heart does. You can scroll and see future days. You can plan stuff on future days. You can add a quote of the day. Are you into quotes? Do you have anything inspirational to share? Go ahead, add a quote of the day. Let's go over here to challenges. Oh, look, we have user metrics. We have information about you. This is sick. Wow, the dev dad sucks. He's only ever done 8 days in a row. What a loser. At least he doesn't lie, though. 82 days left. We got a long way to go in the 10K push-up challenge. We got a long way to go, guys. If you think you're doing good, listen, it's a long grind to get to the end of the 10K push-up challenge. Now, the Move It May challenge, we're a hop and a skip away. We're a hop and a skip away. Finally, the user profile. The user profile. Oh, you want to see what their recent posts are? Go ahead and click View All. You can see their posts in order. How's the new app looking? Good. Look at this post. Who wrote this? What a legend. Thank you all for the amazing first day. I would call this an overwhelming success. Over 40 registered users in 12 hours of release. Only one crashed app that I can tell. We have massive plans for Embedder. This release is just the beginning. Here's just a small list to give you an idea. New user tutorial, follower friends, post profile privacy, habit reminder notifications, challenges, achievements, accountability teams, habit completion auto detection, and so much more. Feedback. We want it all. The good, the bad, the ugly. Please contact us however you see fit. Looking forward to see what you all can accomplish. Here's to day one. Cheers, my friends. We've been cooking. It's been a long grind. When was day one? February 8th. It was a Thursday. Yeah, how good is that account, Akira? Dude, Akira, I gotta start paying someone to manage my social media. How many users today? Let's see. Embedder total users. Lakey, we don't have Sentry anymore. Why'd you crash it? I'll show you guys something. You want to see something? I'll show you something. Watch this. I'll show you guys something. Ready for this? Oops. Let me show you something. This is a hidden piece of information that will live on forever. Hopefully the server starts. It cooked. Okay. Guys, this is long hidden. This is long hidden. Uh-oh. 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 What in the hell, guys? Hold on. I just want to return the about. I just want to return the about. Surely I can figure. No way I can't figure out how to start the about, dude. General utility. What on earth could be happening? This is a very peaceful song. Why do you know computers, dude? How about the one thing I'm trying to add isn't working? That's probably the problem then. Damn, I really wanted to show you this. I really wanted to show you guys this. I really wanted to show it. No, I wanted you to see it. I wanted you to see it. Where? Hold on. What is all this shit? This song's good. This song's good. Don't you crash on me now, baby. Don't you crash on me now, baby. Okay, cool. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. That was the hardest programming I've ever done. That was really challenging. Will it cook, guys? Will it cook? One in the chat if it's gonna cook. Bruh. Am I in La La Land, guys? I didn't save the file. There it is. Hey, Thanks for stopping by. We broke ground on this project in December 17th, 2021. Welcome to Embedder. We have been on a lifelong journey to dial in our habits and maximize our daily outputs towards what we find most important. We believe there are two core components to a highly successful work process: planning and accountability. These two concepts live at the core of Embedder. You could think of Embedder as a life organizer that helps you identify and execute the most productive routines that are geared towards improving the areas of your life that you find most important. Embedder is community-based, so you will be grinding alongside other go-getters just like you. The community helps hold you accountable and keeps you motivated. We're all on this journey together. Let's share our wins, our losses, and our lessons learned. The good, the bad, the ugly. These are the ingredients that make up a well-seasoned and highly effective individual. Come on inside and see what the journey to productivity is all about. December 17th, 2021. I've been on this quest a long time, my guys and gals. I've been on this quest a long time. So anyway, Cosmic Nick was there too, man. Cosmic Nick, he was there, dude. Cosmic Nick is always there. Shout out to Cosmic Nick. He's in a different parallel, grinding on the same trajectory, and he shows up every day here. So shout out to my guy. Yeah, hilarious song choice. But anyway, the other song would have been way better song. Anyway, guys, I gotta roll. I'm gonna go see what the fam's up to. See what the boys up to. Let's see who. Oh my God, why is there not one person online? Why is there not one person online? Why is there not one person online? Where we going, guys? Where we going? Yeah, might as well hit pirate. Yeah. Oh yeah. Can you DM me, AK, and give me any information about it, and I'll send it to our customer service department, and I'll have them reach out to you. Just kidding. But if you DM me on Discord, I'll find it for you. All right, guys. Let's hit pirate software. I almost can't. We're going to simple game dev. Simple game dev. He's a simple game dev, guys. He's got 4 viewers. Can we show some love to simple game dev? Dude, his game looks sick if this is his game. If this is his game, he's the greatest cooker of all time. This is not his game, dude. There's no way he's building this game. He's the greatest programmer of all time. If this is his game and he's not playing somebody else's, he's the greatest programmer of all time. Let's go say what's up, guys. Thanks for everything, guys. Amazing progress today. We wrote lines of code. We deleted lines of code. At the end of the day, I just literally reset hearted those lines of code.